Hi, it's Rachael Smith with Compass up in Big Bear. Today I'm going to walk you through 796 Silvertip that is coming on the market this week. So come check this one out. Okay, so here we are up top. Again, the address 796 Silvertip. From the parking, you can see the top of Bear Mountain. You've got parking up top for 2, maybe 3 cars, depending upon how you park. Around here, very kind of like mid to lower Moonridge area. So this one is on a rental program, sleeps 5 people, parks 2 cars. So remember, 1 car per bedroom. I'm gonna come down. It's nicely terraced out here, graded really well. The roof is in really good shape. Very peaceful setting, nice trees all around too. Beautiful pine trees. So, we'll come in. We've got a good covered front porch. One thing that I love most about this cabin is these original cabin floors. So just hardwood. So right here you got like a little coat rack to take your skis off. Kitchen, you've got a bedroom, bathroom this way. Kind of a little living room area right here in the dining room. So you've actually got 2 living spaces in this little cabin. So you got one right here. They've connected it. They got a little AC unit in here as well. Cute table. So again, this one is Lower Moonridge. They are building a nice hiking biking trail that will take you all the way to the top of the mountain, all the way down to the lake. So this is cute, a little Dutch door right here. They have had this one on as an Airbnb for many, many, many years, and does really well. So here, these owners have added this 3/4 bathroom right here. Nicely tiled. And then you've got a little closet. And from here, you can go through the kitchen. Love this original sink and how the faucet is done. And then back here is another living room. Same original floors. And you've got all this knotty pine in here too. From here we've got a full bath. Super clean. And then we will go another little dining table or like a game table. And then second bedroom, 2 double queen bunks. And then we'll go outside. Little 4 or 5 person hot tub, string lights. And from here, right through these 2 trees, you can see the ski slopes from here. Looks bigger in person. So there you have it. 796 Silvertip coming on the market for $525. And it's a partially fenced lot too, so if you've got animals, you can keep them here. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.